Hi guys, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Your exams are going well. Well, guys, as you know that I put videos on my IELTS language, and you've been asking about some vocabulary words. So I'm trying to teach you and give you some easy, simple words which are, on the other hand, great vocabulary words for you to learn, not just for your basic English language, but also for your IELTS. In your writing, in your speaking, you can use these great words, and also in your day to day life, you can just replace these words with that very sad, very bad, very dry. Instead of just very common words, just change it with the great vocabulary word which means the same thing. So let's not waste any more time. Let's start our today's video, in which I'm just gonna give you, I think, about 8 to 9 words. Just learn these words and try to use them, and it just be perfectly great for you guys. All right, so let's start our today's video. All right, then, our first word is very interesting. And the word I'm going to tell you, you can also use that word for very attractive as well. You can replace very attractive or very interesting with the word that is fascinating. You know, when you really, really, really duly are interested and liked something, you can just say word fascinating. All right, our second word is very good, which is a very, very, very common word. Very good. So instead of word very good, you can use incredible. You know, when you watch this advertisement in India, it says incredible India. That means very good India. So instead of using word very good, you can use incredible. All right, now the word is monotonous. That means something which is very dull or very boring. You know, sometimes we say dull colors, or the room is looking very dull. We need to put some colors in this room. That means monotonous. Let's move on. So, our next word is very wet. You know, when it's raining, your clothes get very wet. So, you can use word instead of very wet is drenched. Drenched. Yeah, so our next word is very dry. And instead of using word very dry, we can use a word parched. That is parched. So our next word is very tidy. You know, sometimes our parents ask us to go and tidy your room. That doesn't mean clean your room. It means like things are here and there, not on their proper place, so we have to tidy. So very tidy, you can use a word instead of very tidy is immaculate. So our next word is very untidy. So when you say very untidy, instead of using this two words, you can just use one word, and that is cluttered. Okay, the another word is very hungry. You know, when we are looking for food, we are very hungry, we haven't eaten in a long time. So we say starving. You don't say, you just come home and say, oh, I'm very hungry, I'm so hungry. You just say, I'm starving and I need some food. So our last word is very bad. And I'm sure most of you know about this word, and the word is awful. So these are the words which are very easy for you to learn. Please do it and use the great vocabulary word instead of word very bad, very good, very untidy, very hungry. Okay, well, I'm also starving now, so I'm just gonna go and have my food. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button and also subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Thanks for watching this video, and best of luck for your upcoming exams. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.